Hello my dear everyone, how are you? I am here with my another tutorial on Cosmos flower for you. Are you there? If you are there, take a seat and give me a chance to describe about my new video. I am sure it will not disappoint you. Rather than it will help you to develop your skill in watercolor. So let's go. Draw the subject first, step by step as like as me. Make pink, purple, orange, shade green, dark olive green, grey olive green and pale green. Apply water first on your subject, then use pink color as a first tone on both of those flowers. Let them dry, then use same pink color for more details. Use orange and shade green in flower root area. Finally, use purple color on both flower petals. There is a little information about sunlight that when sunlight directly fallen on any surface, subject color may turn into different color. Like pink surface sometimes look like slightly violet or purple, or dark surface sometimes look like slightly gray or blue. Because sun is consistent of all colors. Now use yellow green and dark olive green on leaves and flower roots area. Shade green for first tone and dark olive green for second and third tone. Let them dry, use water in background. Gradually apply grey, olive green, pink and blue color in background. Try to drop dark color from behind a flower so that your subject will look so bright because of dark background. Wait to dry the background. It's time to apply final color on leaves and in flower for more details. Thanks to everyone for the support. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.